So the Peer Networks programme for me was a no-brainer. Every business in the country and the world has been affected by coronavirus, so to sign up to a network of like-minded business owners who are looking for different ways to approach the pandemic made perfect sense. They've all got different approaches to mitigating the risk of it, changing the direction or the strategies of their business. So for me to be able to sound out my ideas and get feedback from different industries and sectors, it was invaluable. Peer Networks, every week one business owner, possibly two if we've got time, presents a challenge to the group, and the other members of the group will then respond with suggestions or advice or similar situations that they've been in and what solutions they've put in place. So the real benefit of the network is being able to put a problem to groups or industries or businesses that have probably experienced that same issue and then draw from the solutions they've put in place and work it into your own. One of the examples of these solutions that we put in place, I presented the group with an issue of motivating staff. We found that coming back from being furloughed or working from home to then getting back into the office, there's always, it's difficult to re-motivate yourself to sort of the way it was before coronavirus, and every single other person in the group said, yeah, exactly the same. So one business has got an example of a holiday that they're planning as soon as they're allowed to. Another business has signed up to sort of a mental wellness portal that all the employees can access. Another one gave me an example of an independent HR person that they would consult with. So loads of really important ideas that are all in the local area as well. I definitely recommend the Peer Networks programme. It can be quite lonely at the top when you've got nobody else to bounce ideas off, especially if you're the sole director of a business. So to be part of a network of other directors is completely invaluable. The next steps for the business, we've just placed an order for £150,000 of new machinery. The intention of that is to utilise it in the local area to get people trained up. We've got a really key contract over the next 3 years with Balfour Beatty, who are currently working on the M4 project, and we're able to provide funded places to people looking to get into the construction industry so long as they live within the Berkshire area. To support this growth in the business and make the investment viable, we're also recruiting. We've got 3 Kickstarter placements out there at the moment, and we're looking for somebody to help work in the office, somebody to work outside, and someone to help with the sales and marketing in a new area. So real diverse range of roles that will add to our current recruitment drive. I definitely recommend the Growth Hub. The support and guidance that they've given us, especially through the pandemic, have been vital to the development of our business. So the future of the business, we're investing in the centres. We've got a fund that will allow up to 1,500 people to change career and come into construction for free, sponsored by the CITB. And so the plan for the business is to accommodate that. We want to make it nice and simple for people to be able to come, train with us, find a job, and just spread the word. The most important lesson that I have learned as a business is that all other businesses are in the same position. No one has the answers. And the most important lesson that I've learned as an individual is that it's okay to ask for help.